Hey YouTube, Andrea from Cozy Arts. So my headlight came and I'm going to install it. So as I stated in another video, I was hoping to get a Hogwarts headlight, and they just didn't seem to think it would work. I don't know. But this headlight on Amazon looks exactly like the one that Hogwarts sells. Who knows, it could be the same headlight. This guy was like 58 bucks or something. He's got a plastic lens, which is typical for the knockoffs. You know, anything that's under 300 bucks basically. This is a 5 3/4 inch headlight. So it should slip directly in. You can see there are no like pegs at the back or anything like that. But yeah, let's get to it. So it took me a minute, but after you have the headlight off, you can pry the ring off of it, and from there you work on the retaining clips. So I've decided to plug this in and make sure it works before I fully install this other light and get all those retaining clips in. And then it not work, I'd be really upset. So there she is. High beam, low beam. Alright. Just like that. Man. A little crazy. And man, it's one of those things where if you don't get it in there right the first time, you have to take out clips to fix it. And it looks like I got it just a little crooked, so I'm gonna have to fix it. So it would appear that my high beam is in the wrong spot, but I don't really care that much. I don't know if it's just the way I installed it, or if it is just the high beams at the bottom on this line. So it's cool though. It works. It works great. It looks bright. So I'm super stoked. So just like that, guys. Headlights all done. Nothing that was too hard to tackle. Definitely a pain. But the hardest part were the little retaining clips in there. And when you first pull the headlight apart, it's, you know, it's on there. Good. There's a rubber gasket that seals the bezel to the back of the light, and also I think it helps keep rain out of the fairing up there and water. So that was the hardest part, was just, you know, knowing that I could just yank those two apart, which I quickly figured out. And then once you've done that, getting those retaining clips out was kind of a pain. It wasn't too difficult. And hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If it was and you want to see more bobber stuff, hit subscribe. Thanks, guys.